Hello everyone. So, we are in the airport and we're just waiting for a boarding time because we are going to South Korea. It's currently 3:42 p.m. and our flight is 6 p.m. So, we still have about 2 hours before we board. So, it's our second time going to Korea. Yung first time namin pumunta kami ng winter 2022 and now it's 2024 and summer naman yung season nila ngayon doon if I'm not mistaken. Ayun, I'll be documenting this trip kasi I want to look back at it in the future. So here's my first ever travel vlog. Please forgive me if ang awkward ko kasi nahihiya pa rin ako mag-vlog and medyo may tao sa paligid ko kaya ayun. Touchdown! Field trip! Hey guys, time check. 1:35 a.m. Kakain kami! Hi guys! We're in Seoul! Hello! So lumabas muna kami pero mamaya-maya pa talaga kami mag-tour. Iniikot lang naman yung neighborhood. And ganito yung itsura na eh. Ang cute ng mga restaurant. I don't know. Cafe. Update, nasa Lotte Mart kami. Nag-aalok sila ng free taste. Ang sarap. Dito kami namili ng Noche Buena nung before. Ang dami nila dito ng mga ready-to-eat meals. May mga kimbap. Tapos may mga ganito. Ooh. We are out. Hi. Where are we going first? Bukchon. Bukchon Hanok Village. And then after that, we're going to the Gyeongbokgung Palace. Time check. Ano oras na? 1:01 p.m. and we are in Angok Station. Palabas na kami. And paglabas namin, nasa Bukchon Hanok na tayo, diba? Tapos lang namin mag-lunch. Maghahanap na kami ng pwede rentahan ng hanbok. Hindi na ako sa hanbok. Kasi namamahalan ako. I mean, gastusin ko na sa ibang bagay yung mga hanbok. On our way down now. We just took pictures doon sa may traditional house. Babalik kami dito sa Grand Hyatt kasi gusto namin i-check. Mama, we are on a bus. We're on our way to Namsan Tower. And then after Namsan, magmamyokdong kami. We're now here.
Negosyo.
Sana guys, hindi siya mahulog.
Baka mapasuhan ng langaw. Mga concentrated basta.
500? Oh, yun na. It's not hot. I love it. Yeah. We're now here. Nag-sinerch mo yung Zara sa saan? Gonna eat at BHC. Medyo matagal pa yung waiting time sa BHC. So, mag-iikot na kami. We're going here. Wait. Going here. There, rather. Let us eat. Weird angle. Hello! We are back sa Airbnb. I'll do a quick haul of the stuff that I got today. We went to Myeongdong and we visited the store called Clean Holiday. A little bit of a story time. Sa Myeongdong, meron silang mga skincare or beauty store doon na they sell skincare and makeup. Tapos yung price nila mas cheap compared to like Olive Young, ganon. Pero yung mga products na binibenta nila doon, usually mga brands or yung mismo products ng brands na trending, ganon. I got this Mediheal Vitamite Brightening Pad. I got it ng 17,901. So, gonna try this. And then I also got the Skin 1004 Light Cleansing Oil. I heard good reviews about this, so I want to try it. Anua Heart Leaf Soothing Toner. So, may mga nakikita ko nagbe-breakout ata sila here, but sana mag-work siya for me. 2 concealers from the SEM, yung pot concealer nila and yung tip concealer.
Guess what?
So, Ayun, that's it. I spent a total of like 52,000 something won with tax refund. So if you want to opt for like a more affordable option for your skincare, visit the store. They have it in Yeongdong. I almost forgot, nung nag-booksan kami, we visited Grand Hand and we got a perfume. It's in the scent Suki Salmon and we had it personalized. It smells so good. Kahit yung dry down niya, mabango siya. And naglalast siya all day. Kasi meron pa rin sa sister ko. Eh, ilang hours ago na yan. So, cute. Wow! Oo nga, no, parang Minecraft. Parang ang ano niya. May illusion. Yeah. We are out. We are going to Suwon. Doon yung shooting location ng Our Beloved Summer. Yung bahay ni Cheung. And then, may bagong Starfield Library na kaka-open na. Ano pa meron doon? Hwasong Fortress. And then after Suwon, we will go to Hongdae. OMG, I'm so excited. Kimbap and ramen. And happy ramen. We are done eating sa Fortress. We are going there. May mga nagsushoot din na K-drama dyan sa Mountains. Like yung walls na yan. Hinahanap na namin yung bahay ni Cheung. Guys, ito na siya. Oh my god. Can't enter. We are still in Suwon and pupuntahan namin yung bagong Starfield.
You know I'm almost down, it's like through the night. Nothing just can't get back here with you and I. You can wrap me around your finger like a band. It's nothing I don't mind. You know I'll be around whenever you like. In a hoodie or a suit and tie. I'll give you all of me for all of you if that's something that you like. 'Cause mine's been stuck on you. Tell me what I should do. Forever not long enough when it's just us two. Been stuck on you like it's still the honeymoon. With you by my side, I'll never lose. I'm just a little bit smitten. You've been tripping through my mind all
Men's 8.
Too big.
Woman 6. Woman.
You're gonna buy that?